Hi, I'm Ashley Brown with the Modern Solopreneur, and welcome back to today's lesson about WordPress. So the past few days we've been installing WordPress and going through our domain name and setting everything up. Well, now you should have WordPress already installed, and we should be able to log into your domain name at the WordPress site for the very first time. So I'm going to go ahead and click down here where it says admin login. And you should have gotten your username and password emailed to you, so check your email if you don't have this already pre-filled, and then just go ahead and click login. So I wanted to give you a really quick tour of the WordPress dashboard. It's one of my favorite not softwares or domains, but it's one of my favorite platforms to really go through and set up a website. I think everything is very organized here and very user-friendly. So WordPress is how I do all of my websites, whether I'm designing it or if it's for personal use. WordPress is where I always do it. So your WordPress site is going to look like this, and a quick tutorial here. This is your domain name, and then to log into it, it's going to be /wp-admin/, and then you're going to type in your username and password. So this is what it'll look like when you first log in. And then just a couple quick areas of interest are your dashboard is where everything happens. This gives you all of the updates up front. Then posts, this is where you're going to post all of your blog pages. It already has a quick sample one there. So this is the title, Hello World. You can click on that. You can edit, you can do a quick edit, or you can trash it. But this is where your blog post title is going to be. This is where you're going to change the paramarks. And so if you click that, then you can put whatever you want there. So / like welcome, or / username, or / admin. You can put whatever you want there to make it more user friendly. And you can also categorize your posts and tag them all. Then pages, this is how you're going to set up all the pages for your website, and we'll do another video on the must-need pages for every website. But basically what you do is you just add new pages right here. You add new, and you can start typing in, so you can do like the About Me, and then this is where you're going to put all of your text, but this is the page title, and publish. Then we want to add another new page, and you want to do Contact Me, publish, and then we'll fill in all this information in a little bit. And I'm going to do one more, add new page, and I'm going to do welcome. And right now, so those will be the 3 pages that I have. So if I go to all pages, I have the About Me, the Contact Me, and my welcome page. And then comments is where you're going to manage all of your blog comments. So you can delete them, approve them, whatever you choose, spam or trash. And then appearance is pretty much the headquarters where you're going to do all of your stuff. This is where you pick your themes, and the theme is what you want your page to look like. Otherwise, it's just very, very boring. So I'm going to go ahead and install this theme right here. I like this 2012. It's very clean and minimalist, and it goes with a lot of my branding. So for now, this is what I'm going to use. So I clicked on here, and this is the theme that's active on my website right now. So if you go to it, it'll look like this. My page is on there. Customizations is exactly what it is. You can customize different parameters and different things that you want, colors and code and stuff like that. Widgets this is all stuff that can go on your blog page or your main page. But basically, you can put recent posts, you can put text, you can do different pages if you want them all on the left. If you want a calendar, so say I start doing this stuff and I do recent posts, it'll all show up in my sidebar. Menus, this is one of the most, it took me a while to learn how to do this, but this is the menu of what it'll look like up front. So I have home, about me, contact me, sample page, and welcome. So welcome and home are pretty much the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to remove home because I don't want that. Sample page isn't anything I did, so I want to remove that. And welcome, it's way down here. That doesn't make sense to me, so I want it up front. So I'm just going to drag it right here and do welcome. So then I have welcome, about me, and contact me. And that's pretty good right now. So I want to create that menu. And also up here, this is for when we get into more complex things, but this is menu number 1. Some themes you can have several different menus, which you can utilize depending on how you want to set up your domain or your website, your storefront online now. And then these are the most recent pages. So say I have welcome and I want the about me to be underneath it. I can absolutely do that. I just take this and I indent it a little. So now this is a sub item, so when I click on welcome when I view my website, about me will be underneath that. But I don't want that, so I'm going to move it back so it's its own page. So just learn how to play with this, learn what each of the options are, think of a couple pages to set up, and mainly I would suggest just test driving it all in the very beginning, because we're going to start building our website, and if you don't know how to use the basics of WordPress, like how to set up pages and stuff, you're going to be kind of lost. So go ahead, play around, create some little pages, play with all the features, and kind of just figure out how things work. If you're familiar to WordPress, then this should go fairly fast. If you're brand new, never seen it before, definitely take a little bit of time to play around with it. This has your most recent. One of the things that was really confusing me is it only had my most recent, and I knew I had some pages that I had made. So click the view all for sure. And then these are the pages. So if you don't know how to get this here, it goes back to pages. So start with pages, create different pages that you want. Then you want to create the menu and the background and the header. Don't worry about the widgets right now or different plugins. For now, I would just worry about the structure of the actual site. So for today, go ahead, play around with WordPress, get familiar with everything. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave us a comment, and I will be happy to answer everything. Until then, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. And thank you for supporting the Modern Solopreneur. I'm Ashley, and I'll talk to you soon.